Alright, now that lunch is out on a tray, let's have a look and see what we got. So for the main course, we've got the salad Mexican to be eaten at room temperature basically. We've got the, I believe it's potato soup. We've got 1 pack of crackers just to have with the soup. We have a nice tonic beverage, green tea, apricot or peach energy bar, and a coffee energy bar. So we're just going to go ahead and actually start with the tea. Now, it's nice that we don't have to actually heat anything up other than the water, but it's already been taken care of. Let's get another tea bag. Oh, that smells really, really good. Oh yeah, it's going to be spectacular. So, let's just go with that. Just your standard tea bag. And I already got the water boiled. So, let's just add a little bit. Go to about a cup, maybe just a little bit over a cup. These glasses do hold 16 ounces, so 2 cups, 500 mils. And let's go ahead and mix up this isotonic drink. Now it does call for it to be added to 500 mils. I'm not going to put quite that amount in. Oh, this smells really... I don't even know what the hell that smells like. Almost like a lemon lime almost. I don't know. I'm getting like a lot of different smells from it. It's quite a pack though. Almost looks like a lemon lime. Oh, we shall see. Might be like tropical fruit or something. So, another bottle of water. Put almost the full amount in. There we go. And we'll give that a little stir. Just room temperature water. Now let's just take a quick sip. I really can't pinpoint that flavor. Kind of interesting. All right, let's do the soup. It is really fruity. All right, so just your standard powdered soup. Looks like there's a little bit of pasta and stuff in it. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the cup over here. And once again, get the trusty boiled water. Now it says to add only about a cup of water. So I'm going to measure that out really quick. I believe it is like potato and noodle soup. So we're just going to mix that around. And we'll let that sit for the about 3 minutes that it says to. Now let's open up our little energy bars. So this is like the peach or, yeah, peach and apricot one. It's almost like a little nougat bar itself. Should be interesting. And let's do the Go for Energy Kingswat coffee. And it's broken, but kind of solid. Excellent. Looking forward to trying those. And get our crackers out, just to have with the soup. These are just the same ones for breakfast. It's that big box of biscuits. So these are the lightly salted ones. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the Mexican salad, a big 300 gram entree. And it actually looks like really good. Looks kind of greasy. It smells really good. I know that much. Like I said, it's like an odd, trying to get this without having it go everywhere. Damn, it went everywhere. It's like an odd combination to have in like a French ration, like Asian chicken and shrimp and Mexican salad, and let's just go ahead and give it a try. Lots of oil. Looks like there's corn, definitely some meat, definitely some beans, and I'm not sure if there's like onion or anything. Looks like onion, so I'm gonna get this out on the tray. Once again, haven't found there's a fork or not in this. Knowing my luck, it'll come in the like heater package. Just smells really, really good. That is a massive entree. That is a massive dish. Look at all the beans and the meat. I'm looking forward to this, actually. All right. You know, let's just dive right in. Let's get like a big chunk of meat. Just cut it in half. Some beans, some corn, a little bit of onion. Wow. The flavor in this is amazing. Try and get this piece of meat for you. So it's like solid beef. Not spicy. Definitely a good combination of flavors. Wow. Another big mouthful here. That's really good. Definitely something you get in a store or a little restaurant. Wow. Holy moly. Everything is like super fresh. The beans, like they're not hard, they're like nice and, they hold their form. They're nice and soft. Tomato sauce in this is great. Oh yeah. And the corn. The corn just gives it enough flavor. Wow. That'd be a good treat to have out in the field, or if, like, you know, you didn't have power for a few weeks, a few days. Let's go ahead and try some of this soup. Clean off the spoon. Alright, so there's the soup. And it's like potato with noodles, some carrot, some spices. Oh wow, that's really good. There's a bunch of the noodles, if you can see them. That is really good. This ration's turned out to be like a really solid ration. The acetonic drink, like I said, still can't put my finger on what it actually is. It does have like a lemon lime smell to it. Yeah, it's so awkward. I can't figure that out for the life of me. If you think you know what it is, let me know in the comments below. We're going to try out this green tea. Not really a fan of green tea. It's green iced tea. Nice color to it though. That has a really nice subtle flavor to it. Definitely don't need any sugar or any cream. Not that you're supposed to put any of that in anyway. Yeah, it's got a really good flavor. Now let's just try. Alright, sorry about that. My camera stopped for some reason. I think the memory card was full. So I don't know if I got this. Let's just go ahead and try dipping some of this. Yeah, that's really good with the potato soup. Don't even need the biscuits. Alright, let's go try this coffee energy bar. Smells like a rawhide bone for like for dogs, or like a little milk bone, I should say. That's super hard. Not much flavor. I figured there'd be more like a coffee flavor to it. Alright, let's try this little apricot and peach fruit bar. Not bad. Wow, that's actually like an amazing taste. Wow. Well, all in all, this menu so far is really good. Breakfast was amazing. Lunch is just as amazing. I'm gonna go actually eat all this now. I'll be back with dinner a little later. Alright, now that we got dinner out on a tray, let's go ahead and open up our little heating kit. So for dinner, we've got the Asian chicken and shrimp, 64% cacao, dark chocolate bar, a fruit nougat bar, hot chocolate, coffee, mackerel pate, salted biscuits. I'm not going to use the chocolate ones or the remainder of the cereal ones. And we've got, what is this? Vanilla cream dessert. A little bit of salt and pepper just in case we need it. So let's go ahead and open up this this package. Let's see what is in this. Interesting. Alright, so that box is empty. What's this? So we've got our aqua tabs. Probably should have opened all this sooner. Water purification. Looks like 6 tablets. That's fine. We're not going to use those. We've got a garbage bag. Fairly decent size one too. Wow, that's not bad at all. And a little string to tie it all off, I guess. Interesting. Alright, so we've got a garbage bag. We're going to put that over there. We've got a pack of matches. And here's our little fork slash spoon, little spork that just folds out. That's really dinky. Not sure if I really like that. Alright, let's go ahead and just throw that over there. Probably should have opened all this sooner. We've got a little, looks like a little handle, just for our cans. I don't know if we're supposed to bend it or not, whatever, it's being bent. Just give me something to hold on to. We've got 6 fuel tabs, which I think is awesome. And we've got a little stove. Now, how do they have this? Okay, so it just says basically to fold it all up. Alright, you can do that. So there you go. It's another little Esbit heater. Is it as stable as the Polish one? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's stable. It's probably the same as the Polish one. I've got 1 fuel tab. And drop that in there. Now, before we do anything else with that, let's go ahead and have a look at the Asian chicken and shrimp. Phew, that smells like fish, and I haven't even opened the mackerel pate yet. Phew. Alright, so here is the Asian chicken and shrimp. Looks to be quite a wide selection of vegetables in there, like some red pepper, yeah, olives, like slices of olives, some onion. Actually looks really good. Looks like there's some pasta, there's some shrimp, and some big chunks of chicken. That's going to be good. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this all lit up. Nice full pack of matches there. Nothing special about them though by the looks of it. I'm gonna assume they're not waterproof, given that they're in a little plastic baggie. Whew. Camera. There we go, that's all lit. We're gonna go ahead and actually have a look at this. Alright, so now that I know how to actually get that on, can I actually get it off? That's crazy. Let's go ahead and get that there. We'll keep this. And while we're waiting for that to cook, I'm going to try something out here. I've seen some other guys do on their videos. Take the hot chocolate. Now it says to put 175 milliliters of water into the hot chocolate. But we're going to try something a little different here. Mix our, actually, you know what, let's do the water first. I'll just take a little sip. See what that hot chocolate's actually like, just on its own. Alright, so there's 175 hot chocolate, or milliliters of hot water for hot chocolate. And we'll give that a little stir. It's like a really, almost like just chocolate milk more than anything. Yeah. It's not bad, but definitely could use a little kick to it. So we're going to go ahead and add the coffee and see how that goes. Make a cafe mocha. And that coffee just smells so amazing. Might have to add a little bit more water to it there. But not much. I'm just going to add a little drop more hot water. See if we can't dissolve some of those other crystals that are just floating on top. Alright, so there's a cafe mocha. Oh wow. Yeah, that's definitely the way to go. Alright, that's still heating up. We're going to use our little spork here. And just try and stir it around a little bit. It's a very sturdy heater, which I'm actually impressed with. That Russian one, which you guys aren't going to get to see, I don't think the video is going to turn out, kind of flimsy. Definitely prefer the Polish one than this one. It's not really heating too quick. Alright, let's have a look at the mackerel pate. Doesn't actually smell too fishy. Oh, it doesn't actually look too bad. Let's go ahead and get the top off without making a mess. There we go. And we're going to open up some of our salted crackers. This is the last pack of the salted ones. Just going to put those there for now. And we're going to go open up our vanilla cream dessert. So, like everything else, it does say right on the package of it. Oh, wow, and it expires in 2019. Oh, this smells really good. And it's basically just vanilla pudding. Try not to make a mess all over my place. There we go. So, there is the vanilla dessert. Might dump that out into that after. See how it looks. Our main dish there is still heating up. It's starting to boil there now. Just take this and just move some of this around. Just so it doesn't stick. There's enough liquid in this. I think it's going to be fine. The chunks of chicken are massive in this. Like, yeah, it's crazy. This has been like quite possibly one of the best rations I've had. Everything is like, you know, almost like restaurant quality. That Mexican salad was just amazing. Good little lunch. I should say giant lunch. We're waiting for that. We're gonna open up this nougat aux fruits confits. So some sort of fruit nougat. Oh wow. Oh, that smells amazing. Look at that. That is there's a lot of big fruit chunks in that. Oh, the smell. It's all, there's like some citrus, some berries by the smell of it. Like, it smells really good. And now the 64% cacao dark chocolate bar here. Little bit of bloom on it, and not actually in great shape. So, still edible. Just, yeah, kind of crumbled in the package there. But we'll see. See how much we can salvage. Oh my god. I think this was sitting pretty close to where the box took a hit, so I'm sure that has something to do with it. Go ahead and just cut this. Yeah, look at that. It's all powdered pretty much. Just that one solid piece. It's all just crumbs. Yeah, that's a disappointment. I was really looking forward to that chocolate. Didn't even feel like it was all coming apart like that. Alright, for some reason my camera stopped recording, so we're going to go ahead and try out this mackerel pate. Smells, you know, really fishy, like it should. I'm going to try it by itself. It's actually really good. Wow. You don't actually need any crackers for it, but these are, like I said, the slightly salted crackers. I'm just going to spread that out. It's actually really good. Not a heavy fish taste either, which is quite surprising. Wow. That's actually superb. Let's go ahead and try out the cafe mocha again. Oh wow. Yeah, definitely the way to go with that. Alright, I'm going to try with this little piece of chocolate. It has a little bit of bloom, but this is the largest piece that's there. Yeah, can't really see much. Alright, if that hadn't have fallen apart, would have actually been really good. Yeah, it's super dry. Man, that's a shame. I think this is soon going to be ready here. Alright, we're waiting for that. Let's go try out this fruit nougat. Really sticky, really malleable. Has some bend to it. Nice solid piece. Oh wow. That's totally worth it. Just trying to get some of this chocolate out of here. Oh, wow. Yeah. Chocolate, like I said, is disappointing. Would have been good, you can already tell. But for dessert, vanilla pudding and the nougat bar. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Let's go ahead and try this vanilla pudding. Nice big spoonful of it. Oh, wow. That's really good. I'm not a fan of vanilla. A lot of the times it's normally like overpowering, and that's why I'm not a fan of it. This, however, just a subtle taste. So, this is really good. Jeez, I don't know what my favorite is right now. Alright, this looks like it's pretty close to being done. Alright, I've just blown out the fuel tab, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this right out onto the tray. I use the big spoon, not that little spork. Look at all the oils. And this is really, really stable. That little handle, like really sturdy. Even more so than the Polish one. Yeah, it burnt on a little bit. Oh well, no big deal. Alright. Yeah, this is spectacular. Don't know if you can see how hot that actually is. All the steam coming off of it. Smells amazing. Just gonna leave that one there. Now we use the little spork. And let's go ahead and grab a piece of shrimp. So, there's a piece of shrimp. That's good. Alright, just trying to get this piece of chicken. So, here we have a piece of chicken. That's really good as well. Let's get a few of the noodles here. Alright. Oh yeah. So everything together. Let's see if we can't get a piece of olive, noodle, a piece of chicken. Alright. Plan B, big spoon. So let's go shrimp, chicken. Like I said, it's like a really diverse menu for being a French menu. A piece of olive that keeps falling off. And some pasta. There we go. So there's everything. Wow. Wow, that is super hot. I just burnt my mouth. I think it needs a little bit of salt and pepper though, so go ahead and just add a little bit. Not much. There's some salt. Probably more pepper than salt. Alright, just go ahead and mix that around. And let's try and get some that's not as nuclear as the other stuff was. Be nice to actually taste the food as opposed to burning. Alright, let's try it now. Much better. Oh yeah. Definitely just needed that little bit of salt and pepper. Finally give it, like, bring out all the flavors, but really good meal. I'm actually going to go ahead and go eat this right now. And this has been the French RCIR. I believe it was menu 7, that's what I said. And it's been quite a meal. Definitely the best one I've had. in a while, at least in terms of rations. Yeah, there is still, like I said, more to come. So please stay tuned, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.